Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra leak unveils razor-thin bezels and rounded corners. Here's everything you need to know. The buzz around the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is reaching a fever pitch as the next Unpacked event draws closer, rumored to take place on January 22, 2025. If leaks are anything to go by, this flagship phone is set to redefine premium smartphone design with some major changes that could leave tech enthusiasts and casual users alike in awe. The leak that sparked the conversation. A recently leaked image, shared by the well-known leaker Ice Universe, has given us a tantalizing glimpse of what the Galaxy S25 Ultra might look like. This real-life photo reveals the right side of the device, showcasing two of the most talked-about design features: razor-thin bezels and rounded corners. However, there's a twist. The image appears to have been edited, sparking debates among enthusiasts. Notably, the photo shows no physical buttons on the right side of the device, an odd detail considering the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to house the volume rocker and power button in that very spot. This inconsistency, combined with the mysterious deletion of the original post by Ice Universe, has added an air of intrigue to the leak. Despite the drama, this leak aligns with previous reports that have consistently hinted at Samsung making significant design changes for the S25 Ultra. Razor-thin bezels, a new benchmark? One of the most striking aspects of the leaked image is the incredibly slim bezels, which could be the thinnest ever seen on a smartphone. According to earlier intel from Ice Universe, these bezels are expected to surpass even those on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which currently leads the market in bezel minimalism. If the rumors are true, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a bezel reduction of 30% or more compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. This not only enhances the phone's aesthetics, but also maximizes screen real estate, making the already expansive 6.9-inch display even more immersive. Rounded corners for a sleeker look. Another standout feature from the leaked image is the shift to rounded corners. This marks a significant departure from the sharp-edged design that has been a hallmark of the Galaxy Ultra series since its inception in 2020. While the angular design has given the Ultra phones their distinctive premium look, it hasn't been without criticism. Many users have found the sharp edges less ergonomic, especially during prolonged use. The transition to a more rounded design could make the Galaxy S25 Ultra more comfortable to hold without compromising its premium feel. It's a bold move that shows Samsung is willing to innovate even in areas where they've traditionally excelled. A flat display, a love letter to minimalism? The leak also hints at a flat display, a feature that's been reported by multiple sources in recent months. While curved displays have been a staple of Samsung's premium devices, the shift to a flat panel could signal a new direction. Flat displays not only eliminate accidental touches, but also offer a cleaner and more modern aesthetic. Under the hood, power meets innovation. Beyond the design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a serious punch in terms of hardware. Here's a quick rundown of the rumored specs. Camera. A new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor is expected to enhance low-light performance and deliver stunningly detailed photos. Display. The aforementioned 6.9-inch AMOLED screen is likely to support a 120Hz refresh rate, offering buttery-smooth visuals. Processor. Powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, the S25 Ultra is poised to be one of the fastest phones on the market. Battery life. Samsung could be pushing the boundaries here as well, with whispers of improved battery technology to support all-day usage despite the device's larger display and powerful internals. A peek into the future. 500-megapixel camera sensor? While the Galaxy S25 Ultra is already shaping up to be one of the most exciting devices of 2025, Samsung reportedly has even more ambitious plans for the future. Rumors suggest the company is working on a groundbreaking 500-megapixel camera sensor, potentially for its next wave of flagship phones. The wait is almost over. With Samsung's Unpacked event just around the corner, we don't have long to wait to see if these leaks and rumors hold true. If the Galaxy S25 Ultra lives up to the hype, it could set a new standard for flagship smartphones in 2025. What do you think of these design changes? Are the razor-thin bezels and rounded corners enough to make you consider upgrading? Or are you holding out for the rumored 500 megapixel camera sensor in future models? Let us know in the comments. This is Giga Guide, bringing you the latest and greatest in tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things tech.